How is it going, guys? It is time for new products of July. Now, before we get into things, I do have two giveaway winners to announce. I was supposed to announce this in last month's video, so I apologize for the delay. But congratulations to Javier Tua, I think that's how you pronounce your last name, and Raymond Garcia. If you guys happen to be one of those two people, you guys are the winners of the two $50 gift cards. Please email into sales@FTspeed.com. Our sales reps will verify some information with you and get you guys those gift cards. Now, to start things off, we have a bunch of new bucket seats from NRG, ranging from a simple black design all the way to a cherry blossom design, or their Oriental Dynasty edition, which is exactly the same design as what was on my bowls eating growing up. So those definitely bring back some memories. They also have a bunch of other designs and colors to choose from, as well as their 5-point harness. So if you're looking for an inexpensive aftermarket seat to throw into your daily driver, these may be right up your alley. We've also got a couple new products from AFE, the first one being their 2.5-inch stainless steel catback with 4.5-inch tips, available in either stainless steel polished tips, black, carbon fiber, or burnt tips. And then we've got two different air filter options, one that is pre-oiled and one that's dry, to replace the ones that is in your stock intake. Last up for the FRS BRZ and 8.6, we have the Tomioka Racing TR TDO 520G Turbo Kit. Comes with basically everything you need to get installed. So you've got the turbo itself, the intercooler, exhaust manifold, charge pipe, blow-off valve, intake, and all of the necessary hardware. And they advertise an increase of 65% peak power, which is pretty substantial for these cars. So if you're looking to make some more power, this is definitely a nice option for you. Jumping over to the Supra, we have the RecSpeed carbon fiber door garnishes. These are the accent pieces that are on the outer edge of the door. A little bit different than the stock ones. These have two sort of accent fins, I'm gonna call them, that protrude out a bit. It's available in either the common carbon fiber weave or a forged carbon fiber in either a gloss or matte finish. Next up, we have the MBRP 3-inch catback exhaust system that comes with 4.5-inch dual tips, available in either a carbon fiber or burnt titanium finish. Comes with a lifetime warranty, and they advertise a 23% increase in airflow with a tune, so that should help out with some power gains. If you happen to be wanting to bring out your wheels more flush with your fenders, Faction Fab just released their wheel spacers, available in either a 10, 15, or 20 millimeter width. Super easy to install. You just take off your wheels, install that spacer on there, and then use the included new wheel bolts to get everything reinstalled. Last up for the Supra, we have the Tomioka Racing TR turbocharger. This is 100% bolt-on replacement with a 20% larger compressor wheel that's capable of up to 750 horsepower. So if you're looking to push the limits, the power limits of this car, definitely check out this new option. Now, for the featured products of this month, these are products that are currently in stock and available to ship out. We have the Veris Engineering carbon fiber side marker replacements that I'm actually planning on putting on this car, because as you can see, I'm missing my side markers, or I don't know if you can see that, but I have them. I just haven't put them back in yet because I take this bumper on and off quite a bit, so I don't want to have to mess with that. So having those replacements, it's going to be very nice. Now, if you happen to want to lower your car with just something simple, we have the Faction Fab F-Spec lowering springs. These are gonna lower your car 1 inch in the front and 0.8 inches in the rear, with some spring rates of 230 pounds per inch in the front and 250 in the rear. Next up, we have the OLM wide angle convex mirrors with built-in turn signals. If you don't already have some wide angle mirrors on your car, these are a very nice upgrade that basically gets rid of your blind spot, and the turn signal being built in is a nice added touch as well. And then last up, we have the Cusco Brid Zeta 4 bucket seats, which look absolutely amazing. I wish I could have a pair in my car, but the Recaro seat in my car isn't bad as well. But if you're looking for some aftermarket seats to throw in your car, these are definitely a very nice option. And that pretty much rounds it off for this month, guys. If you like something you saw, the links are down in the description. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.